Mastering Korean Grammar Essentials for Foreign Learners Part 1.
안녕하세요.
Everyone, welcome to the first installment of Korean Grammar Essentials for Foreign Learners. I'm your instructor, Echo59, and I'm here to guide you through the exciting journey of learning Korean grammar. Today, we'll start with some fundamental grammar concepts to help you get started on your path to mastering Korean. Remember, language learning is an adventure, and I'm here to make it as enjoyable as possible for you. Let's dive right into our first grammar point. 1. Subject, object, verb, word order. Korean sentence structure often follows the subject-object-verb SOV order. This means that, unlike English SVO, the subject comes first, followed by the object, and finally the verb. For example, English, I eat kimchi. Korean,
저는 김치를 먹어요. 저는 김치를 먹어요.
Notice how
저는
means I,
김치를
means
김치
and
먹어요.
means eat. This word order may feel different from what you're used to, but don't worry with practice. It will become natural. 2. Honorifics.
존댓말.
Korean has various levels of politeness. When speaking politely, you should use honorific language, especially when talking to someone older or in a formal context. For example, thank you in polite language is
고맙습니다.
It's essential to be aware of when and how to use honorifics to show respect and politeness in Korean society. 3. Verb conjugation. Korean verbs change based on tense, formality, and politeness levels. Learning verb conjugation patterns, formality, and politeness levels. For example, to eat is
먹다.
I eat is
먹어요.
As you learn more verbs, you'll discover various conjugation rules and patterns to apply. That's it for our first lesson in Korean Grammar Essentials. Remember, learning a new language takes time and practice, so be patient with yourself. Practice these concepts, and you'll be well on your way to speaking Korean fluently. Thank you for joining Echo59 in this video. In our next installment, we'll explore more exciting Korean grammar topics. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons.
다음에 뵙겠습니다.
See you next time.